Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson in the kingdom of fools. In our previous session we came to know that the guru and disciple found two strange things in the kingdom of fools. They were the night was treated as day and day was treated as night. Second thing, everything cost same a single dodo. Then Guru understood that was the kingdom of a fool. That was not safe for them to stay there for a long time. That's why he said to his disciple to leave that place. But disciple was not ready to leave the place because he could get whatever he wanted in cheap rate. At last Guru left the disciple and he moved away from that kingdom. And disciple, he was eating whatever he wanted and he grew fat like street side sacred bull. Now let us continue the lesson. One bright day, a thief broke into a rich merchant's house. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. And as he was carrying out his loot, the wall of the old house collapsed on his head and killed him on the spot. See here, one bright day, a thief broke into rich merchant's house. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. A thief, he entered by making a hole in the wall of the house of a merchant. And he sneaked in. Sneaked in means to creep or go stealthily. In a stealthy manner he entered the house. And as he was carrying out his loot, the wall of the old house collapsed on his head. Yes, after stealing whatever he wanted inside the house, he was carrying his loot. That time what happened? The wall of the house collapsed. Collapsed means fell down on that thief's head and killed him on the spot. Because of that person was killed. That thief was killed. His brother ran to the king and complained. Then that thief's brother ran to the king and complained, "Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, a wall fell on him and killed him. This merchant is to blame. He should have built a good and strong wall. You must punish the wrongdoer and compensate the family for this injustice." See here. Then the brother of the thief ran to the king and complained, "Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing means while he was following, pursuing his ancient trade. His ancient trade means it probably is a family profession. What was that profession? Stealing. Okay. When my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, the wall fell on him and killed him. The wall fell on him and he died. This merchant is to be blamed. For this, we have to blame this merchant. He should have built a good, strong wall. Suppose if he had built a good and strong wall, then the wall wouldn't have fallen on my brother and my brother wouldn't have died. But this merchant did not build his wall properly. Because of that, my brother died. You must punish the wrongdoer and compensate the family for this injustice. That's why you must punish the wrongdoer. This merchant is wrongdoer. That's why you must punish that person and compensate the family. Compensate means to give something, typically money, in recognition of loss, suffering or injury. For the loss, giving some amount. Okay, that is called what? Compensate. So you give me compensate, compensation for my family. Like that, he asked to the king, who thief's brother asked to the king. The king said, "Justice will be done, don't worry," and at once summoned the owner of the house. This foolish king, he said, "Justice will be done, don't worry." See here, that person's brother went to steal in that house. Actually, he was wrongdoer. But the king said, "You don't worry, I will give you justice." Okay. And at once summoned the owner of the house. Then he called the owner of the house. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him. That merchant, owner of the house, he came. King questioned him, "What's your name?" "Such and such, your highness." Then that person said, "My name is like this." "Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house?" Then king asked him, "Were you at your home when the dead man burgled?" Burgled means breaking the house with the intention of stealing. "Were you there inside your home when that man came to burgle your house?" "Yes, my lord. He broke in and the wall was weak and fell on him." And that man accepted, the merchant accepted. "Yes, my lord. He broke in and wall was weak, it fell on him." The accused pleads guilty. "Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you." Then king said, "The accused pleads guilty." This accused means a person who charged with offense. The person who is charged with offense. The accused person is accepting his guilt. Guilty means judged to have committed crime. It seems this person is criminal. Okay, he is accepting his mistake. The king said, "Your wall killed this man's brother. Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. Indirectly, you are responsible for this. That's why you have murdered the man. You are responsible for the death of that person. We have to punish you. We are about to punish you. We are going to give you punishment." "Lord," said the helpless merchant, "I didn't put up the wall. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. He didn't build it right. You should punish him." Then that merchant, helpless merchant, he said, "I didn't put up the wall. I did not build that wall. It was really the fault of man who built the wall. Actually, I am not the wrongdoer. It is really the fault of the man who built the wall. It is the fault of the person who built that wall. He didn't build it right. He did not build that wall properly. You should punish him. You have to punish that person. You should not punish me. You have to punish the person who built that wall." Like this merchant said to the king. Rest of the things let us see in the next session. Thank you for watching.